Hello everybody and welcome to class. My name is Tom Hooten and I'm your instructor for Physics 1303, Introduction to Astronomy. I'm coming to you from inside the International Space Station now, so let's get started. The goal of this video is not to show you the International Space Station, it's really to show you how the class is going to run. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen here. When you first log into Canvas, you will probably see something like this. One of the classes that you will see is Physics 1303, and if you click on that, it'll bring this. Now this is the student view, so what you will see when you first go in, you've probably already gotten to this, the quick information, the Start Here module. The thing about the Start Here module is it's really a syllabus agreement. It forces you to read this syllabus and take the introductory quiz, but you know all of that if you're watching this video. You've been through all of that already. Down here is the Week 01 module, and I'm going to leave student mode and go into instructor mode. And if you look inside of the Week 01 module, you'll see how it's broken down. And all of the modules are broken down similarly. Each one has an assignment section, assignment message section, a discussion section, and a quizzes section. The Week 01 module also has a downloadable textbook and other materials. If there are additional reading materials that I assign to you, they will be down here at the bottom like this is here. The assignment message is definitely where you want to start. This is the key to understanding how the semester is going to go. There are 15 weeks in this semester, and each week has one assignment message. You'll notice it says read this, so really important stuff. So open up the assignment message and this is what it looks like. And it's broken down into two broad sections. The administrivia section that you see here, that includes announcements. Some of the stuff that was in the syllabus is repeated here for the first week. It's different each week. Here are the lecture activities, and in the lecture activities, these are the things that you get grades for. And this is the video, the explainer video that you're watching right now. And you've already made it this far, so the first thing that you need to do is go read the online syllabus if you haven't done that already, and then download the textbook here in step number 3. The textbook, like I showed you, is at the bottom of the Week 01 module. That is the actual textbook. You can download it as a PDF, or if you look inside the syllabus, there are links so that you can read it online. Here is the reading assignment, chapters 1 and 2. We will typically cover 2 chapters a week. And then there is a discussion, and the discussion is not necessarily related to your readings. The discussion can be about any sort of science-related topic, but you will need to participate in the discussion every single week. In fact, more than once will get you an even better grade than if you just do it once. So minimum participation gives minimum grades. There is also something in the discussion section called a virtual lounge. Now, the virtual lounge is available all semester. You can put anything you want into the virtual lounge. You can talk about any topic. You can start new threads, new topics. Just keep it clean, please. I usually don't go in there and read things unless somebody complains to me about something. But I do, from time to time, go in there and I wipe everything out because it really gets crowded sometimes. So just be aware of that. Don't leave anything in there you don't need wiped out, or if you want to keep it. And then from time to time I'm going to assign videos for you to watch. Some of those videos may be from my buddy Phil Plate, or they may be videos that I have made, but either way there will be videos for you to watch. And then here are the quizzes. The quizzes cover the chapters. The quizzes are specifically over the chapters, so they're the chapter quizzes. You're going to do 2 of those every week, at least 2 of those every week. And then a word about going on to the future, read ahead, because next week we'll do chapters 3 and 4. All right, so that's the assignment message here. If we go back to the home screen inside of Canvas, you'll see that every single week is pretty much the same structure. Now, some of these weeks are not opened up to you yet because, quite frankly, I haven't finished creating those assignments. But it's the same structure every single week. There will be an assignment message, there will be discussions, there will be quizzes all the way through. And then you see down here is the midterm. The midterm, it covers everything that is from week 1 to week 7 here. So it's comprehensive in the middle of the semester that covers everything that's been covered up to the point at which it is administered. Now, the midterm is not a separate week. You'll notice here's week 7 up here and here's week 8 down here. The midterm is just stuck in between those 2 weeks because it occurs in part of week 7 and in part of week 8. So you can get several days over which you can take it, but once you start taking it, it is a timed exam. It's very tightly timed, so you do need to know the material fairly well in order to get finished with the exam. It's designed that way. The questions are administered one at a time, so you get to see them one question at a time, and then once you enter in an answer, you're not allowed to go back and change it. So that's the midterm exam. The final exam is given the same way, and the final exam is down here at the bottom. Like I said, the key to understanding the assignments for the week is in the assignment message. So start each week by reading the assignment message. So remember, the class weeks goes from Monday to Monday. So on Monday, I would go in and read the assignment message if I were you. All right, well, that's the overview of the class. It's time for you to dive in and get started. I'll be seeing you online from time to time. If you have any questions whatsoever, please message me through inbox and I can get to you as quickly as I can. Use inbox because that is the fastest way to reach me. That goes directly to my phone, and if I am available, I will answer your question immediately. If not, then I will get to it probably as soon as I can. If you send messages to my email, there is a delay in that, or if you try to call me on my phone, there will be a delay in that. Once again, the fastest way is just through inbox. Send that to me. I can usually respond quickly, but I say that my response time is within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. I usually take off the weekends and don't respond much, but give it a shot anyway. If you're busy and you're stuck and you have a question, send it to me. Regardless of the time of day or whatever, send it to me through inbox and I will get to it as quickly as I can. If you send me something through inbox and it turns out that you don't get an answer within 24 hours, Monday through Friday, then odds are something happened. I didn't get your message, because I will not purposely ignore you if you send me a message. That's my job, is to answer your questions. That's it. Like I said, dive in. This is going to be an exciting semester. I hope you're excited about it. I know that I am, and I'll just be in here floating around in the International Space Station. So have a good semester.